I'm Debbie Peveril, and you're listening to the weekly tip from basicboardgovernance.ca. Today I'm talking about time theft and the way that you are providing governance to your employees. There's a recent British Columbia court decision which found an employee guilty of the crime of time theft. This person was found guilty of being asked to be paid for work hours that hadn't actually been worked. And the interesting thing about it is, as more and more employees are working remotely, how is the policy, how are the policies supposed to be changed in order to have better governance over that type of activity? And we're back to the conversation we've had forever about, do you measure inputs, which is the number of hours somebody works, or do you measure outputs, which is what they get done? And it's a continuous debate about what people should be doing, how you judge performance of your various employees, whether they're putting in a lot of hours or they're getting a lot of work done. And this particular example was for a public accounting firm in British Columbia. And of course, accounting firms, in common with law firms, they're very, very conscious of hours and how they're measured, because what happens in a public accounting firm is you sell hours. So of course, you're trying to measure hours as the employees are working them. So in your organization, there has probably been, or should be, a conversation about how you're managing your employees, how you're measuring performance. Do you look at inputs or do you look at outputs? And either way, take a look at what policies you have to make sure that the way you're measuring what happens in your organization is, of course, helping you get closer to achieving the goals you've set.